Okay, guys, let me quickly make analysis of nairaskills. My name is James O. Charles, aka CJ. So, apart from the three ways by which you can make money on nairaskill, that is, you being an instructor, you being a student, and you being an advertiser, you can make money by being an instructor. That is, you teach people what you know how to do. You can learn, okay, for free. You can advertise your products, your services on nairaskills. And apart from all those three ways, you can also earn by referrals. So I'm just going to draw a very quick pattern of the compensation plan. Now, this is you here. Let's say this is me, CJ. Okay, that's where I am. Now, I brought in 5 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't mind my drawing. Okay. So it might not be that smooth, but I believe you understand the concept. Now, whether I am the one that brought them in or not, it does not matter. Assuming I'm not even the one that brought them in. From each of them, I'll get 250 because they are directly under me. Assuming I'm not the one that brought them in. Let's say, for example, I am lazy. I cannot refer anybody. All I just did was just to register. For each of them, I'll get 250, making a total of 1,250 naira. Are you seeing that? Now, let's say I did not bring anybody again. This one got 5 people. This one got 5. This one got 5. This one got 5. This one also got 5. I don't know how they came in. They just came in. Now, you see this guy here. This guy here is going to collect 250 per person. He also is going to collect 1,250 naira in total from the 5 people here. He's going to collect 1,250 naira from the 5 people here. As they are registering, he's collecting it. Let me show you something. Let's say I am the one here. Okay. I registered the first person, or the first person came under me. I got 250. That's all I got. Another person came under me. I got another 250. Another person came under me. I got another 250. Another person came under me. I got another 250. Another person came under me. I got another 250. Make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A total of 1,250 naira. It does not matter whether I'm the one that brought them in or not. I will get it. I will get it. Whether I brought them in personally or not, whether they use my link to register or not, I will get the 1,250, as in 250 per person. Immediately the person registers, I'm going to get that amount. Now, let's come back here. Now, like I told you, this guy will collect 1,250, 1,250, 1,250, 1,250, 1,250. Now, what about me that I'm here? On each one of these 5 people, I'm going to collect 150 naira, irrespective of, like I've been saying, I'm not the one that brought them in. I don't know how they got in. From each of them, I'll collect 150 naira. 150 naira times 5. That will give us around 750. So from this guy here, I'll collect 750. From this guy here, I'll collect 750, 750, 750, 750, making a total of 3,250 naira. If I'm right, you can make the calculations. Now, this guy here also, the 5 guys here, they brought 5 each, 25. They brought 5 each, 25. You understand how it's 25 now? 5 times 5. They brought 5 each, 25. Brought 5 each, 25. Brought 5 each, 25. A total of 125 people. Now, what will happen is that each of the guys here, there are 5 guys here, each of them will collect 1,250 naira. Each of them. Each of the guys here will collect 1,250 naira. Now, this guy here is going to collect how much? 3,250 naira. The same way I collected from these ones. He also is going to collect his own 3,250 naira. This same one, this same one, this same one, this same one. Each of them will collect 3,250 naira. Now, what about me that I'm here? How much would I collect? I'm going to be collecting 150 naira times 25. The moment the person registers, it comes to my account straight. Have you getting that? The moment the person registers, it comes directly into my account. I don't have to wait for orders. Let's say these people here, they're only able to get one person. I'll collect that 150. Whether it is 1 year, whether it is 2 years, before they go to another person again, it does not matter. That 150 is already in my account. So when you multiply all of this, you have a total of 125 people. So let's say 125 times 150. You know, each one of them I'll be collecting 150. It is only on my level 1 that I'll be collecting 250 from 5 people. Other levels, level 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I'll be collecting 150 per person. So now let's multiply this quickly. We have 0, 0, 0, 5, 2, 20. No, this is 25. No, this will be 25, 5, remainder 2, 10, 2, remainder 1, 5, 6. You have 5, 2, 1. So you have 0, 5, 7, 8, 18,750. That means on this level here, I collect 18,750. That's level what? This is my level 1, level 2, level 3. My level 1, level 2, level 3. By level 3, I would have earned a total of, if I'm to add all of this together, around 23,000 naira. Just on my level 3. I don't need to wait for anybody to fill his own leg. The moment anybody is coming in my team, I'll be getting paid immediately. Immediately anybody is coming up in my team, I'll be getting paid, irrespective of which line the person coming through. I'll be getting paid. Now, the 25 year or so will keep growing. We keep growing. So on each level, I get paid. As somebody comes in directly, I get paid. I'm still trying to learn how to use a whiteboard marker. I am still looking for someone that will teach me. I don't have money to pay right now, but I know in the future I'll have money to pay. So, but for now, if I can get the whiteboard marker, if I can learn it, I'll be able to make a video that's going to be more beautiful and more well explanatory than this one. But I believe with this little one, you guys understand the concept we are talking of here. You don't need to wait for anybody to upgrade. You don't need to buy anything. You don't need to sell anything. You don't need to click anything. You don't need to read any news or watch any video. Let people just keep coming into your team. Now, let me tell you something. If all of us can work together and we have a group, WhatsApp, Telegram group that has 100,000 people, let's say out of these 100,000 people that joined, we're only able to get 30,000 people to register. We have 100,000 members in our group, but only 30,000 people were able to register. There's nobody on my team right now, those that have registered right now, or the remaining 7 people that will join us, because we still have space for 7 more people. There's nobody amongst the 31 of us. When I say 31 of us, I'm here 1, here is 5, here is 25, that is the 31. 1 plus 5, 6, plus 25, 31. All the 31 of us, there's no one of us that will make nothing less than 100,000 naira. I'm telling you. But I cannot do this alone. I cannot. It's not a man's work. It's not a lone wolf work. A lone wolf work. It's something a team needs to work together on. If you have not registered, I will implore you to register so that you can join the 7 people that are here. You see, I have 7 people left. I've gotten my 1. I've gotten this 5. Out of this 25, we have gotten, I think, is it 18? Yeah, 7. I've gotten 18. Here, I've gotten like 5. This one is 5, 25, 125, 625, 3125, 15, 625, like that, up to level 9. This is level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. By the time we get to level 3, I would have made like 18,750. And others too would have made some money, but not up to this amount, to be candid. But the point is, if we all work together, you can see, our working together does not mean that you'll be working for me. You are working for yourself. I told every one of you, promote your own link. You don't need to promote my link. This is just commission. I've not talked about bonus though. Guys, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. I've not talked about bonus. This is just commissions. I don't want this video to be too long, so I believe I have explained this to us. Our Telegram group is active. We need 100,000 members. Whatever we can do so that we can get 100,000 members, let us work towards it. And if you are able to get 1,000 members and we have 30,000 members to register, there's none of us that would have made not less than 100,000 naira. Let me ask you this question. What will you do with 100,000 naira? For me, I'll pay off my loan. I'm owing some people, a lot of people. My account was hacked, my phone was hacked, my money was stolen. I lost some money in trade. I'm owing a lot of money. So I have to do everything to make this work. So I implore you to go to ask for a referral link from the person that sent you this video. Good luck and have a nice time.